Welcome to the very snazzy training barn we use. So in the right hand, there is, and you'll feel it under your thumb, there is a little kill switch here. So there's a little latching button. You can feel it with your finger if you put your finger in there. It's just in the right place for your thumb. So the idea is to shut anything down at any point, to just completely shut down. You just tap that and it unlatches and everything shuts down. And then all you do is you pull the trigger in and hold the trigger down for about 3-4 seconds. You'll feel a click and then you can let go of it, and then all the engines over about a minute come up to idle and ready. They just reset, you just let go of the trigger and they throttle back down and they idle again. Okay, that's really the main control. Now,
okay, so this is like a you kind of
it's a throttle. It's the throttle pedal on a car. Full power if you've seen them. That's the sort of position, okay? And you can feel, you can just play with the trigger and feel the power of it, okay? It's the action and reaction thing. You'll find your brain will get quite familiar quite quickly with what happens. Just think of them as fire hoses. So you want to rest them up here again. What I meant about how calm and sort of gentle and spongy it is.
right.
It's just you point them there and you just go this way, don't you? It's quite soft. On your next go, what you want to do is just with that power level you've got now, imagine if I was turning this way, what would happen if I blew the thrust back? Oh yeah, I come back. It's like you need to code your brain to just notice, to kill off a rotation. Okay. And it's funny, after you've done that a few times, you don't think about it anymore. So just let them cool a bit more. Then we'll unclip you out of this.
Art to it.
Yeah.
Even though it's this, they've got so much going on.
Very bad.
What happened?
गया सर
Out.
वो गया
Out, out, out.
कौन गया धोनी गया
Very bad.
So that's how they move.